Wrapping up March break, you would have expected a lot less activity than we've been seeing, but really, week over week, we haven't seen a big change in numbers, either positive or negative. We look at what's happened. We also seen a 25 basis point decrease in the Canada's overnight rate. That also didn't make a difference. What's happening? Our friends down south, in particular, one individual is creating a lot of havoc and a lot of uncertainty in the markets, and people don't know what to do. When we look at the Toronto real estate markets resale side for Friday, March 14th, 2025, this is what we're seeing. Total inventory is up by about 1.5% in the freehold space. We've only seen 183 sales in the freehold space, with a large proportion of those, 170 of those being single-family homes, and of the 170, 120 of them are detached. So a lot of that activity is still happening in that space, but everything else has kind of slowed down significantly. If I'm in the market to buy right now, this would be a great time for me to be looking at what's out there right now, because rates are low, people are hesitant, so there are some opportunities out there, and the people who are selling are probably motivated to sell because everybody else is kind of sitting on the sidelines. So to me, this is a great time to turn around and buy. And if you want to talk about strategy and how we can go about doing that, we can do it. We're looking over at the condo market, just under 65 units, 100 units on the market right now. That's 6,500 units. We've seen under 260 sell this past week. That's not a lot. That's a 1.5% change from the week before, which is in a downward spiral. But that just means there's a lot of condos, there's a lot of two-bedroom condos and one-bedroom condos out there that are actually making up a bulk of this inventory. And I'm sure there's a lot of good inventory out there that could be scammed, but buyers are being a lot more selective. I'm Rob Sansoni. If you want to know what you should be doing right now, reach out, let's have a chat, and let's see what's in your best interest. Take care, and I'll see you next week.